She loves you, man. Do believe on her. Thra might be nothing as you feel. You leave me at my home tomorrow. I will think further what I have to do. What have you decided? I mean I will not come between both of you. She replied meekly. What are you going to? I can't able to say this now. You leave me tomorrow at my maternal house. Geet prepared for the next day. For the first time after her marriage, she was going to her home, so grandma gave her the bag full of gifts for her relatives. Both of them sat in the car. Geet spoke suddenly. I will not come back. If someone asks, I will say that I do not want to stay in that house. She was shaking. Her voice was cracking while speaking. She really loved Man. She hoped one day she would able to make place in his heart for herself and he would confess that I love you. Just with that one hope she stayed all these months, but now she didn't succeed in making that place in his heart, so she decided to leave now. After leaving Geet at her home, Man returned back to Khurrana mansion. At night unknowingly he called her, Geet, give me water. But immediately he realized that Geet is not here. He couldn't sleep. He never felt it before when she was here, but when today I am visualizing her, why I am missing her, he thought miserably. When he got up in the mornings, Nakul gave him his black coffee. Annie came from behind to check on her bro and she looked at his face. Just seeing his face she guessed it all. Bro, just yesterday Bhabhi went to her home and see your face in mirror. You loves her so much. Man didn't answer anything. Standing before the mirror, he started to talk to himself. You fell in love with Geet. I don't know how, but then what is us with Samiksha? What I thought about her? Is it sympathy? That's why I was going to marry her? His eyes widened in realization. So impatient, so restless. I have never been so thirsty for anyone. But what will she say? God! Why did I give her permission to go? Why did he let her go? Here, Geet was not happy without him, his anger, his voice, his frustration, that all she loved. Man could not control his heart now, he straight went to Geet's place. It's been only 2 days that Geet was here, and Man said to her relatives that grandma had called Geet. Geet didn't get what has really happened. Once both sat in his car, restless Geet asked him, Grandma has told me to come later on, then why did you hurriedly came? Is everything all right at mansion? She asked worried. No Geet, nothing is fine. He busted. Geet got scared a bit when she heard his outburst next, you are my wife, right? You have show your rights on me at least. Why did you left all of sudden like that? Geet was smiling in mind, what he has to say actually, why he is not speaking clearly. She thought and asked him directly. For you to get your love, I was having only this solution. Are you mad? Do you know what was my state after you went? I was turning insane just in 2 days. When you were close to me, I didn't realize it, but when you went away, your lackness gives me pain in my heart. He pointed towards his heart. Geet was overwhelmed with his confession. She rested her head on his shoulder today, truly feeling as his wife. Once Man came to Khurrana mansion with Geet, Grandma and Annie started to laugh. Both went inside the room, wanted to talk a lot today. Man locked the door and went towards Geet. He sat beside her on the bed. The moonlight was coming from the window. Geet's curls were floating across his face, soothing his senses. He took her hand in his own, her heartbeats raced quickly. Geet, now I know that I can't live a moment even without you. It took time to realize love, but now you are mine. Geet was having faith that one day she will win Man's heart, and today he himself was confessing it to her. Drowning in her hajal eyes, he tell her those 3 magical words of love, and she blushed furiously. Geet got up and went near the window. Maan came from behind, taking her in his arms. He whispered huskily in her ear, "Don't go away from me now, stay like this forever close to my heart."